Advice from the pros on how to make money online. Since computer communication has become so popular, there are many people who have turned to it to make money. It can be very lucrative if you know what you are doing. This video will provide you with some great starting points. Continue to do your research and you will have a steady income online. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Start taking surveys. There are a plethora of surveys to pick from on the internet. Doing surveys is one way to earn a bit of extra cash or incentives online. Although individual surveys do not always pay generously, your efforts pay off over time. Surveys can fill your leisure time, and any money from them does add up. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Working online takes the know-how and commitment. These suggestions are a great place for you to begin. Once you start making money online, you will surely meet others doing the same thing. You will be part of an ever-growing community of people. Get started today making your own online cash. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.